In this video, we'll be unboxing the Fidget Cube. This is Davao Geek Hub. Hi guys, this is Joseph and this is the Fidget Cube. I bought this at Tekpone. You can visit their stores at SMCT Davao, NCCC Mall of Davao, Gaisano Mall of Davao, and Abreeza Ayala malls. So let's open it up. First, we'll find the quick instruction guide. We have the illustrations for the different sides of the cube, and then we have the cube itself. Okay, the Fidget Cube is used well for mostly yung mga mahilig mag-fidget or magkulikot. Like yung mga naglalaro ng ballpens. Kasi it helps them focus in some way. And nakakawala din siya ng antok actually. For whenever you're in class or in a meeting. So let's check out all the sides. First we have the click, where you can push the buttons and they click. Two of them doesn't actually click para hindi naman maano yung mga kasama mo. Next we have the glide. Parang analog stick siya ng controller. Mga mahilig maglaro ng analog. Next is actually my favorite one. It's the flip. Just keep flipping that switch. It's actually quite relaxing for me. Then we have the roll, where you can roll these gear-like things right here. You can also roll this ball. You can even click that. Very smooth ball. Then we have the spin, where you just spin this around like so. Then we have the breathe, which is designed after those worry stones where it can relieve anxiety. And that's about it. This is the Fidget Cube. You can buy this at Tekpone for only 480 pesos. And it's really great. It's quite actually fun. So thank you for watching. Like this video if you like it, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye.